So something in my shoes, Annabeth. You're being recorded. Where do you think you're going? Annabeth. Okay, fine, bye.